Nissan Qashqai J11 right hand drive. Remove the glove box and it reveals the fuse box. And for the power socket, it's the top left side, number 2, the 15 amp. It's 2 15 amps, so it's number 2. And what you do is remove the fuse holder remover and you put it into number 2. Should click and the fuse would come out the centre of the fuse remover. Just dropped it, never mind, the fuse is blown. And you take out the spare 15 and you put it where you've just taken out the other one, into there. Now my power accessory is working.